Priyanka Gandhi meets Sidhu. Rahul Sidhu meet next. Gandhi snub captain, but meet his rival. Infighting explodes before polls. War of Sardars in Punjab.
Amidst the political infighting in Punjab, Congress disgruntled Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu met Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi in Delhi. Sidhu put out a tweet with a picture of him being with Priyanka. But it is interesting to note that Priyanka met Navjot Singh Sidhu in her personal capacity. And Sidhu has still not met Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. After meeting Sidhu, Priyanka first went to meet Rahul and then went to meet Sonia Gandhi at her residence to brief them about the meeting with Sidhu. Meanwhile, there are speculations that Sidhu is likely to meet Rahul Gandhi today. Rahul's office has, however, confirmed that there is no meeting scheduled between the duo as of right now. Gandhis also did not meet Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh last week when he visited the national capital to meet three-member panel formed to resolve the Punjab crisis. Just months to go for the assembly elections, the Gandhis are keen to make Amrinder and Sidhu reach a truce. But sources say that the leadership is upset with Sidhu for his public outbursts against Amrinder and has told him to restrain himself.
ਨਵਜੋਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਇੱਕ ਮਿਸਗਾਈਡਡ ਮਸਾਈਲ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿਤੇ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਤੇ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਵੱਜ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੇ ਤੇ ਹੀ ਵੱਜ ਸਕਦੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦਾ 20-25 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣੀ ਉਹਦੀ ਜੇ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਸੀ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਲੜ ਕੇ ਭੱਜ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ ਬੀਜੇਪੀ 'ਚ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ ਮਾਈ ਬਾਪ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੋਰ ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕੱਲਾ ਸੋਚਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਭਾਸ਼ਣ ਐਕਟਿੰਗ ਕਰਕੇ ਅੱਜ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਐਕਟਿੰਗ ਵਾਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਸੋਬਰ ਬੰਦਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਅਗਵਾਈ ਕਰ ਸਕੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲਿਜਾ सके पंजाब की डेवलपमेंट सोच सके
जो पार्टी परिवार के घोंसले में सिमटी हो उसका इसी तरह का हश्र होता है और उसके अलावा भी रस्सी जल गई बल नहीं गया अहंकार अभी भी जो है वो सर चढ़ के बोल रहा है ऐसा लगता है कि जो है वो सामंती सुरूर और सत्ता का गुरूर अभी उतरा नहीं है
So that's the latest coming in. Why is Rahul Gandhi delaying this meeting with Sidhu remains to be the question. Just months to go for the assembly elections. The Gandhi are looking at getting some sort of truce between Amrinder and Sidhu. Sources say that the leadership is upset with Sidhu. Anand Patel is joining us. Anand, Gandhis have not met Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh when he visited the national capital. And now here what we're picking up is that Priyanka has gone ahead and met Sidhu in her personal capacity. What's going on over here?
Yes, see Chaiti, there's a whole lot of difference between Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, Congress President, and Rahul Gandhi meeting Navjot Singh Sidhu and Priyanka Gandhi meeting Navjot Singh Sidhu. So in this case, what has happened, the latter case, Priyanka Gandhi was acting as a peacemaker to sort out the differences between senior leaders in the Punjab unit, has met Navjot Singh Sidhu. Sidhu couldn't meet Mrs. Gandhi as well as Rahul Gandhi. He's here since yesterday. His office had intimated that Sidhu has got an audience with Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi both. But we are told that the Gandhis were miffed at Navjot Singh Sidhu leaking out this information because it would have sent wrong signals in the Punjab unit. And since Captain Amrinder Singh was denied an audience with the Gandhi family during his two visits to the national capital, this clearly wouldn't have gone down well with the captain camp. So clearly, the attempt was not to escalate the dissension differences in the Punjab unit, and hence Sidhu was allowed to meet only Priyanka Gandhi, who in turn met with Rahul Gandhi and discussed whatever transpired between the two, and now she has briefed the Congress President as well. This comes ahead of the timeline which has been set by the Congress Party High Command to sort out dissension within the Congress Party camp in Punjab, and that is the first week of July. So we are picking up that by the first week of July, things would be sorted out and the Congress Party would be fighting fit for the assembly polls.
All right, Anand, thanks for being with us right there. Let's bring you the big questions at the moment in the middle of the war of the Sardars that is playing out. Number one, why was Rahul missing in Sidhu Priyanka meeting? That's the big question. Do Gandhi siblings disagree on Sidhu Amrinder issue? That is a big question too. Another big question is there are delays that are perhaps an indicator that Gandhis do not have the solutions at the moment. Now, does Sidhu hold the cards in talks with Gandhis? We don't know. That is again a big question. Are Gandhis meeting Sidhu only to stop him from quitting the party? These are the big questions at the moment. The Sidhu versus Captain feud has been festering since 2017, when the same year when Congress came to power, Sidhu was made a cabinet minister. It is said that Sidhu used his closeness with the Gandhi siblings for more power within the Punjab government. Things came to a head when Sidhu went to Pakistan and embarrassed his chief minister by hugging the then Pakistani army chief, leading to a full-blown war of words, if you remember. Take a look.
Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu have been at daggers drawn since 2017. It is said that Captain Amrinder Singh was not happy with the way the BJP leader Navjot Singh Sidhu was inducted in the Congress party just before the assembly elections in 2017. Despite the opposition from senior Congress legislators, Captain Amrinder Singh, under pressure from the Congress High Command, gave a cabinet berth to Sidhu. But cracks emerged when Sidhu tried to bargain for Deputy Chief Minister's post along with home portfolio by using his closeness to the Gandhi siblings. Captain refused to budge. The rift became public after Sidhu went to Pakistan against the wishes of his captain in 2018. Sidhu's hug for then Pakistani Army Chief General Bajwa had Amrinder Singh fuming.
How can it be that every day somebody is being shot, and whether the man who pulled the trigger is to blame or the man who gives the order, which is the chief, and the chief is Mr. General Bajwa, and to say that I don't know General Bajwa, but yahan likha hota hai unke tunic ke upar, that's wrong. And I think that was wrong for him to have shown the affection he did for the Pakistani Army Chief.
3 months later, Captain Amrinder Singh opposed Sidhu's second visit to Pakistan.
I told him, I said, you know, I have taken this stand and this is what is in the larger interest of my state, and I think you should also reconsider your position. He said, I've already accepted the invitation. I said, well, then you can always tell them that now my chief minister has taken the stand, so I wish to, I will not be coming. But he has decided to go.
It was then that Sidhu declared that Amrinder Singh was not his captain.
अरे मेरे कैप्टन राहुल गांधी हैं, उन्होंने तो भेजा है हर जगह. क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? कौन से कैप्टन की बात कर रहे हो यार? हाँ, ओ कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी की, वो तो आर्मी के कैप्टन है भाई. मेरा कैप्टन राहुल गांधी साहब है.
At the backdrop of the sacrilege case, Sidhu opened a new front against the captain. It was the first time that the cricketer turned politician publicly accused the Punjab Chief Minister of being hand in glove with the Akalis. It is said that Sidhu was divested of his portfolio after he challenged captain's authority.
ਜਿੱਥੇ 25 ਪੈਸੇ ਪੈਣੇ ਸੀ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਨੇ 25 ਪੈਸੇ ਪਾਏ, ਜਿੱਥੇ 30 ਪੈਸੇ ਪਾਣੇ ਸੀ ਉੱਥੇ 30 ਪਾਏ. ਵਰਲਡ ਬੈਂਕ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਖੜੀ ਕੀਤੀ. ਲੇਕਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੇ ਉਂਗਲ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਸ਼ਿਕਾਇਤ ਕੀਤੀ, ਨਾ ਹੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਫਿਤਰਤ ਹੈ. ਚਲੋ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੈ, ਮਹਾਬਦੌਲਤ.
There has to be some discipline in the organization, and in this discipline, I have decided after seeing the performance of our ministers, I've shifted them around. Where I thought somebody is good in a particular job, I've given him that job. And here I thought power is an important thing for Punjab, one of our most important things. And I gave it to Sidhu, but he didn't want it. So I said, no, once a decision has been taken, you can't say I will take this and I will not take that. I mean, it's like some general saying, I'm not going to get posted to Ladakh, send me to Manipur.
Captain Amrinder Singh has not said a word about Navjot Singh Sidhu's recent outbursts against him, but he is believed to have told the Congress High Command that Sidhu had crossed all limits this time. The face-off has now reached a point of no return. With Manjeet Sehgal and Kamaljit Sandhu, Bureau Report, India Today.
While Sidhu has upped the ante against Captain Amrinder Singh, there are 5 fears for the Gandhis at the moment. Let's get you those 5 fears. What are the fears for the Gandhi? Number 1, Sidhu could quit the Congress if the issue is mishandled. Number 2, annoyed Amrinder Singh could be further irked. Number 3, misstep could perhaps deepen the divide in the Punjab Congress. Number 4, the leadership's hands-off approach is not healing. Number 5, even if pacified, Sidhu volatile and unpredictable at the moment. So these are the big fears for the Gandhis at the moment vis-a-vis Navjot Singh Sidhu. By taking on Captain Amrinder Singh, I beg your pardon, is Navjot Singh Sidhu digging his own grave or paving a way for an exit? Sidhu was dreaming big but has so far failed to get a desired position, with his options now running out. And even the Congress High Command unhappy with his outbursts against the captain. Will Navjot Singh Sidhu's rebellion really backfire? Take a look.
Navjot Singh Sidhu is on the warpath. His outbursts against Captain Amrinder Singh are only getting more explosive. There are over a dozen Punjab cabinet ministers and MLAs who have joined the chorus to replace Amrinder. But will this rebellion backfire for Sidhu? Currently in Patiala, Sidhu is planning to go back to Amritsar. Sources say that the firebrand Neta is expected to make a big announcement, and soon. He's been vying to be made the Punjab Congress chief, something that the captain is opposed to. So is Sidhu trying to create a situation within the Congress to pave way for his graceful exit? Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal has already created a buzz by announcing that Aam Aadmi Party's chief ministerial face will be a Sikh. He also refused to criticize Sidhu as his party is trying to find a suitable face. Sources say AAP has been sending feelers to Sidhu to join the party from quite some time. But Sidhu has kept his cards close to his chest. Even Kejriwal acknowledged publicly that he respects Sidhu. There are speculations that AAP will step up efforts to bring Sidhu into the party fold.
आम आदमी पार्टी का पंजाब का सीएम फेस सिख समाज से होगा, क्योंकि हमें ये लगता है कि पूरी दुनिया के अंदर पंजाब ही एक ऐसा स्टेट है जिसका सीएम सिख समाज से है। हमारा ये मानना है कि ये सिख समाज का हक है और ये हक उनके पास ही रहेगा।
Meanwhile, the opposition Shiromani Akali Dal and BJP have slammed Sidhu for keeping the people of his constituency in the lurch.
सिद्धू खड़ा ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਗਾਲ ਕੈਪਟਨ ਅਮਰਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਢਦਾ। ਇੰਨੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਤਿੱਖੀ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਕਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਆਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਲੀਡਰ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਮੁੱਖ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਸੰਬੋਧਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਅਟੈਕ ਮੁੱਖ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਤੇ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ।
In case Sidhu decides to leave the Congress, then where will he go? Will he become the Sikh face of the Aam Aadmi Party, or will he end up floating his own regional front? With Manjeet Sehgal, Bureau Report, India Today.
Navjot Singh Sidhu has been fighting for what he calls to bring about a change in Punjab. But in reality, he's been unable to bring any real change in his own constituency of Amritsar East. His constituents have dubbed him an absentee MLA. Manjeet Sehgal with this report.
A full-blown poster war. Punjab da captain versus Sara Punjab Sidhu Naal. The Amrinder versus Sidhu fight rages on, and while the captain wants action to be taken against his bête noire, it was the Punjab Chief Minister who made Sidhu a first-time entrant, a cabinet minister in 2017. Many senior Congress party MLAs were ignored to placate Sidhu, who remained dissatisfied through 4 years of his stint as an MLA and a Punjab minister. Navjot Singh Sidhu was inducted as a cabinet minister on March 16, 2017. He remained a minister for just 27 months and resigned on June 10, 2019. after his portfolio was divested, as his performance, according to the Chief Minister, was not up to the mark. Sidhu ultimately resigned as a minister and remained absent from his constituency and assembly for the next 1.5 years. During this time, he neither attended the Punjab Assembly nor met the people of his constituency. As an elected representative, you can imagine the message that sent out. Sidhu claims to be fighting for a new Punjab, but hasn't been able to bring about any real change in Amritsar East. With poor roads, heaps of garbage, the constituency is crying for development.
वोट किन्नू पाई सी 4.5 साल पहले
सिद्धू नाल
ते उन्होंने काम किया
नहीं बाजी कुछ नहीं किया लॉकडाउन में भी कोई सहायता नहीं की
ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਨੂੰ ਬਸ ਇਹ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਪਰ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਮੋਟੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੜੇ ਹੋਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਉਹੀ ਬਸ ਵਿਖਦੇ ਆ
ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਦੂਰ ਰਹਿ ਗਈ ਆ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਇਲਾਕੇ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਪੈਰ ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਇਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ
From a sports star, Sidhu became a missing poster boy. Not only as a Congress MLA, but Sidhu was also targeted when he was a parliamentarian. His opponents even announced a reward. The missing posters also emerged in Rasulpur Kalar area, where 59 people died after a train ran into a crowd of Dussehra revelers on October the 19th, 2018. Sidhu had promised to adopt the families who had lost their breadwinners. The state government had, however, provided jobs to only 34 of the 59 affected families. The opposition also targeted Navjot Singh Sidhu for being absent from his constituency during the pandemic. The other charge against Sidhu is that he's simply power hungry. Chief Minister Amrinder Singh has gone on record to say that Sidhu wanted a deputy chief minister's post with a home portfolio. Sidhu also allegedly has been eyeing the Punjab Congress Committee chief's post. Posters in Patiala speak volumes about his political ambitions. Despite the anti-incumbency against the Congress, the over-ambitious Navjot Singh Sidhu has added to the woes of his own government and party. His personal differences with the Chief Minister have cost his constituents, who are now feeling very ignored. With Manjeet Sehgal, Bureau Report, India Today.
From the cricketing pitch to the political battlefield, we'll stop over on the television screen. Navjot Singh Sidhu's professional career has been a roller coaster ride, just like his political career. He's been controversy's favorite child, having been accused of murder and losing a popular TV show because of his pro-Pakistan sentiments. The big question here is, where will Sidhu land now? Here's a look.
Sidhu is back in the news for his high-voltage rebellion against sitting Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh. His attacks have opened the floodgates in a party unit that was largely intact, causing a massive headache. From cricketer to comedian to rebel against the captain. Join us as we track the journey of controversy's favorite. In the aftermath of the Pulwama terror attack in 2019, Sidhu's bizarre decision to lock the Pakistan Army chief in a Jadoo ki Jhappi backfired badly, costing him both his TV stint as well as a huge amount of public goodwill. Running parallel to the roller coaster of his life in showbiz was a political career that saw its own dramatic swings. He joined the BJP in 2004, elected as the party's MP from Amritsar.
जो लोग हिंदुस्तान के कहते हैं वही परमात्मा की आवाज है और परमात्मा की आवाज इस बार चाहती है कि लाल किले के ऊपर झंडा नरेंद्र भाई मोदी फहराए.
In 2006, Sidhu was accused in a homicide case and sentenced to 3 years in prison, forcing him to resign from his Lok Sabha seat, only to be acquitted days later. In 2007, he was re-elected to the Lok Sabha.
महोदया, क्या सूरज को प्रमाण देने की जरूरत है कि उसमें तेज है? क्या उसका प्रकाश प्रमाण नहीं है कि उसमें तेज है?
In 2014, he went into a sulk after Arun Jaitley was made to stand from Amritsar. In 2016, just 4 months into a consolation seat in the Rajya Sabha, he quit the BJP. Attempts to join Arvind Kejriwal's AAP went nowhere, forcing him to briefly pitch out on his own. He launched a party, Awaaz-e-Punjab, flanked by former hockey great and close friend Pargat Singh. but that would prove to be a placeholder before he secured himself a place in the Congress in 2017, declaring himself a born congressman. His war against Punjab Chief Minister began. Where will Sidhu land? Between wisecracks and silence, even a Sidhuism won't answer this one. Bureau Report, India Today.
It's a wrap from me, Chaiti Narula, on this bulletin. For further news and updates, don't forget to log on to indiatoday.in or download our app. Stay with us. I'm joining you with the top headlines in just a bit.